Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable the autoplay for your presentations on Google Slides. So let us get started right away now, shall we? So head over to Google Slides, enter or launch the presentation you'd like to edit and customize. And once you're ready with your setup, simply click on slideshow here at the top, start slideshow. You may also use the shortcut for that, Control F5. So let me do that really quickly. That is going to launch your presentation in the play mode. So what you want to do, guys, is hover your mouse over that option, that icon here in the bottom left corner where you see the number or the number of slide. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click on these three dots here to access your slideshows menu. And after that, from that drop-down menu here, hover your mouse over autoplay and select, for instance, the time intervals, like for instance every second, every 2 seconds, 3, 4, 5, or every minute, or a loop. So what you want to do, guys, is simply make sure that it is on play here to enable the autoplay mode. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.